1. Addictive. Meaning, substances and activities that create either a physical or mental dependency. Synonyms: habit-forming, compulsive, dependence-inducing. Example: smoking can be highly addictive and difficult to quit.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: do you think some activities can be addictive? Why or why not?
Band 5. Yes, I think some activities can be addictive because people do them a lot and can't stop. Band 6. Yes, I believe certain activities can become addictive as people may develop a dependency on them and find it hard to quit. Band 7. Absolutely. I think some activities, like gaming or smoking, can be addictive because they trigger pleasure centers in the brain, making individuals crave them more. 2. Administer medicine. Meaning, to give medicine to a patient. Synonyms: dispense medication, administer drugs, give treatment. Example: the nurse carefully administered the medicine to the patient.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: have you ever had to administer medicine to someone?
Band 5. Yes, I gave medicine to my friend when they were sick. Band 6. Yes, I have administered medicine to my younger sibling when they had a cold. Band 7. Yes, I have had to administer medicine to my younger brother when he was ill, making sure he took the correct dosage. 3. Alleviate. Meaning, to relieve pain or symptoms. Synonyms: ease, relieve, mitigate. Example: the medication helped alleviate her severe headaches.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: what do you do to alleviate stress?
Band 5. I listen to music to make my stress less. Band 6. To alleviate stress, I usually listen to relaxing music or take a walk in the park. Band 7. I typically alleviate stress by engaging in activities like yoga and meditation, which help me relax and clear my mind. 4. Chronic. Meaning, a long-lasting and difficult to eradicate illness. Synonyms: persistent, long-term, ongoing. Example: she suffers from chronic back pain that affects her daily life.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: do you know anyone with a chronic illness?
Band 5. Yes, my uncle has a long-lasting illness. Band 6. Yes, my uncle has a chronic illness and it affects his daily activities. Band 7. Yes, my uncle has a chronic illness that has been ongoing for years, significantly impacting his quality of life. 5. Deteriorate. Meaning, to become worse. Synonyms: decline, worsen, degrade. Example: his health began to deteriorate rapidly after the surgery.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: why do some people's health deteriorate as they age?
Band 5. Because they get older and weaker. Band 6. As people age, their health may deteriorate due to weaker immune systems and lifestyle choices. Band 7. People's health can deteriorate with age due to a combination of factors such as decreased physical activity, poor diet, and the natural aging process. 6. Diagnose. Meaning, to identify the nature of a medical condition. Synonyms: identify, determine, detect. Example: the doctor was able to diagnose the disease based on the symptoms.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: have you ever been diagnosed with a medical condition?
Band 5. Yes, the doctor found out I had a cold. Band 6. Yes, I was diagnosed with the flu last year. Band 7. Yes, I was diagnosed with the flu last year after experiencing a high fever and severe cough. 7. Disease. Meaning, a disorder of structure or function in a human, which produces symptoms. Synonyms: illness, sickness, ailment. Example: the disease spread quickly through the village.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: what measures can be taken to prevent the spread of diseases?
Band 5. Wash hands and stay clean. Band 6. Measures like washing hands and avoiding close contact with sick people can help prevent diseases. Band 7. Preventative measures such as regular hand washing, vaccinations, and maintaining good hygiene can significantly reduce the spread of diseases. 8. Disorder. Meaning, an illness or condition that affects mental or physical function. Synonyms: condition, malady, affliction. Example: she was diagnosed with an anxiety disorder.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: how do you think mental disorders should be treated?
Band 5. With medicine and talking to a doctor. Band 6. Mental disorders should be treated with medication and therapy. Band 7. Treating mental disorders often requires a combination of medication, therapy, and support from family and friends. 9. Epidemic. Meaning, a large outbreak of a disease or virus. Synonyms: outbreak, plague, pandemic. Example: the flu epidemic affected thousands of people in the city.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: have you ever experienced an epidemic in your area?
Band 5. Yes, a lot of people got sick. Band 6. Yes, there was a flu epidemic in my area last year. Band 7. Yes, last year, my area experienced a flu epidemic that resulted in many people being hospitalized. 10. Exercise. Meaning, physical activity to assist the body in staying fit and healthy. Synonyms: physical activity, workout, training. Example: regular exercise is important for maintaining good health.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: do you think exercise is important?
Band 5. Yes, it helps stay healthy. Band 6. Yes, exercise is important to stay fit and healthy. Band 7. Absolutely, regular exercise is crucial for maintaining physical fitness and overall health. 11. Fatty foods. Meaning, foods that are high in fat and lead to health problems. Synonyms: greasy foods, fat-rich foods, high-fat foods. Example: eating too many fatty foods can lead to obesity.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: do you like to eat fatty foods?
Band 5. Yes, I like burgers and fries. Band 6. Yes, I enjoy eating burgers and fries, even though they are fatty foods. Band 7. Yes, I enjoy eating fatty foods like burgers and fries, but I try to limit them to maintain a balanced diet. 12. Healthy diet. Meaning, consuming food that is beneficial for the body. Synonyms: nutritious diet, balanced diet, wholesome diet. Example: a healthy diet includes a variety of fruits and vegetables.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: how important is a healthy diet to you?
Band 5. It's important to eat fruits and vegetables. Band 6. A healthy diet is important to me because it keeps me fit and energetic. Band 7. Maintaining a healthy diet is very important to me as it ensures I get the necessary nutrients for overall well-being. 13. Impair. Meaning, to weaken or damage. Synonyms: weaken, diminish, hinder. Example: smoking can impair lung function.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: can you think of anything that might impair your ability to concentrate?
Band 5. Noise can make it hard to focus. Band 6. Loud noises can impair my ability to concentrate. Band 7. Yes, distractions like loud noises or a cluttered environment can significantly impair my ability to concentrate. 14. Infection. Meaning: the invasion and growth of germs in the body. Synonyms: contamination, contagion, illness. Example: the wound became infected because it wasn't cleaned properly.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: what are some common ways to prevent infections?
Band 5. Wash hands and stay clean. Band 6. Washing hands and using sanitizer are common ways to prevent infections. Band 7. Common ways to prevent infections include regular hand washing, using hand sanitizer, and avoiding close contact with sick individuals. 15. Injury, meaning physical harm or damage. Synonyms: wound, trauma, harm. Example: he suffered a serious injury during the football match.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: have you ever had a serious injury?
Band 5. Yes, I hurt my leg once. Band 6. Yes, I had a serious injury when I fell and broke my leg. Band 7. Yes, I had a serious injury last year when I fell and fractured my leg, which required surgery and rehabilitation. 16. Keeping fit. Meaning: doing exercise to stay healthy. Synonyms: staying in shape, staying healthy, maintaining fitness. Example: she goes to the gym every day to keep fit.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: what do you do to keep fit?
Band 5. I go to the gym. Band 6. To keep fit, I go to the gym and run regularly. Band 7. I maintain my fitness by going to the gym, running, and following a balanced diet. 17. Active lifestyle. Meaning: a life that involves lots of exercise and activity. Synonyms: energetic lifestyle, active living, dynamic lifestyle. Example: an active lifestyle can help prevent many health issues.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: do you think an active lifestyle is important?
Band 5. Yes, it's good for health. Band 6. Yes, an active lifestyle is important for staying healthy and fit. Band 7. Yes, an active lifestyle is crucial as it promotes overall health, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and enhances mental well-being. 18. Mental health. Meaning: emotional and psychological well-being. Synonyms: emotional well-being, psychological health, mental wellness. Example: taking care of your mental health is just as important as physical health.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: how do you maintain your mental health?
Band 5. I try to stay happy and avoid stress. Band 6. I maintain my mental health by staying positive and avoiding stress. Band 7. To maintain my mental health, I practice mindfulness, engage in hobbies I enjoy, and ensure I get enough rest. 19. Nutrients. Meaning: vitamins and minerals found in foods and plants. Synonyms: nourishments, essential vitamins, minerals. Example: fruits and vegetables are rich in essential nutrients.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: why are nutrients important in our diet?
Band 5. They help us stay healthy. Band 6. Nutrients are important because they help our bodies function properly. Band 7. Nutrients are crucial for our health as they support various bodily functions, boost immunity, and provide energy. 20. Obesity. Meaning, a condition that results in abnormal or excessive fat accumulation. Synonyms: overweight, excessive weight, corpulence. Example: obesity can lead to many health problems, including diabetes and heart disease.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: what are some causes of obesity?
Band 5. Eating too much and not exercising. Band 6. Causes of obesity include poor diet and lack of physical activity. Band 7. Obesity is often caused by a combination of poor dietary habits, lack of exercise, and sometimes genetic factors. 21. Premature death. Meaning, death occurring before the average age of death. Synonyms: untimely death, early death, unexpected death. Example: smoking can lead to premature death.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: what can be done to prevent premature deaths?
Band 5. Live a healthy life and avoid risks. Band 6. To prevent premature deaths, people should adopt healthy lifestyles and avoid risky behaviors. Band 7. Preventing premature deaths involves promoting healthy lifestyles, regular medical checkups, and addressing risk factors such as smoking and poor diet. 22. Preventative medicine treatment. Meaning, designed to prevent health problems rather than resolve them. Synonyms: prophylactic treatment, preventive care, preventive therapy. Example: vaccinations are a form of preventative medicine. Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: do you think preventative medicine is important? Band 5. Yes, it helps stop diseases. Band 6. Yes, preventative medicine is important to stop diseases before they start. Band 7. Yes, preventative medicine is crucial as it helps avoid the onset of diseases, reducing the need for extensive treatment later on. 23. Public health services. Meaning, services provided by governments, usually free of charge. Synonyms: healthcare services, medical services, health facilities. Example: public health services ensure that everyone has access to basic medical care.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: are public health services good in your country?
Band 5. Yes, they are okay and help people. Band 6. Yes, public health services in my country are good and provide necessary care to everyone. Band 7. Yes, public health services in my country are quite effective, offering essential medical care and preventative services to all citizens. 24. Rampant. Meaning, happening a lot or becoming worse. Synonyms: widespread, uncontrolled, out of control. Example: the disease became rampant in the crowded city.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question: have you noticed any rampant issues in your community?
Band 5. Yes, there are many problems that are getting worse. Band 6. Yes, pollution is rampant in my community, getting worse over time. Band 7. Yes, littering has become rampant in my community, and it's increasingly becoming a serious issue. 25. Rehabilitation. Meaning, restoring someone to health after addiction or sickness. Synonyms: recovery, restoration, reconditioning. Example: he underwent rehabilitation after his surgery.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question. Do you know anyone who has undergone rehabilitation?
Band 5. Yes, my friend needed it after an accident. Band 6. Yes, my friend went through rehabilitation after a serious accident. Band 7. Yes, a friend of mine underwent rehabilitation after a severe accident to regain his physical strength and mobility. 26. Sedentary. Meaning, inactive and without physical exercise. Synonyms: inactive, stationary, immobile. Example: a sedentary lifestyle can lead to health problems.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question. How can people avoid a sedentary lifestyle?
Band 5. By moving more and exercising. Band 6. People can avoid a sedentary lifestyle by staying active and exercising regularly. Band 7. To avoid a sedentary lifestyle, people should incorporate regular physical activity into their daily routines and avoid sitting for long periods. 27. Sugary foods. Meaning, foods that are high in sugar, such as chocolate and carbonated drinks. Synonyms: sweet foods, sugar-rich foods, high-sugar foods. Example: consuming too many sugary foods can lead to health issues like diabetes.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question. Do you often eat sugary foods?
Band 5. Yes, I like chocolate and soda. Band 6. Yes, I enjoy eating sugary foods like chocolate and soda. Band 7. Yes, I often eat sugary foods, but I try to limit them to maintain a healthy diet. 28. Unhealthy diet. Meaning, consumption of fatty and sugary food and drinks likely to lead to health problems. Synonyms: poor diet, unbalanced diet, junk food diet. Example: an unhealthy diet can lead to obesity and other health issues.
Example of an IELTS Speaking Part 1. Question. What are the consequences of an unhealthy diet?
Band 5. It can make you sick and fat. Band 6. An unhealthy diet can lead to obesity and various health problems. Band 7. The consequences of an unhealthy diet include obesity, heart disease, and other serious health conditions. These details should provide a comprehensive understanding and usage of the vocabulary words in various contexts.